JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Alpharetta, Georgia. It's about 3:30 on Tuesday afternoon. This customer found us online. It's a townhouse with 3 sets of stairs, 2 hallways, and 4 bedrooms. It's one down and 3 up. Carpet's in pretty good shape. There's some minor spots here and there, but nothing really that'll show up on camera, I don't think. Actually, there were 2 spots up here in one of these bedrooms. Customer did not know what they were, said they were here when she moved in. Those dark spots there. Other than that, this will just be a quick should be a quick, easy job. I think it's 10 areas. So we'll get started. All right, here's our spot cleaner. Boom, all gone. Still dark from the being wet, but it is night and day difference. It's amazing how dark that looks on the camera, but it looks great just looking at it. Yeah, she's gonna be very happy with that. Like I said, looks kind of bad on camera, but that's because they're damp, but they're gone. Interesting how that camera does it. Okay, it's 4:45. We just finished up this $400 job. Should have been 11 areas. The stairs and the bedroom downstairs. This is technically a living room and a dining room. That would be the extra area. But when you're doing your jobs, you can throw in areas if you want. Customers certainly appreciate it and will remember you and refer you when you give them a free area. It doesn't take that much longer to do the area, but it's very valuable to them. Not much to see. I already cut the lights off up here. The fans are on. The lights are off, but I'll cut them on real quick. Not much to see. There was about a half dozen spots she was worried about. About 6 or 8 of them were in here. Over on this side over here all came out. And she thought they were the same thing. It was in this bedroom that was really, really dark that came out. Like I said, it doesn't look really good on camera, but it looks amazing when you look at it with the naked eye. So like I said, this was I'm not sure what time we started, 3:30. So the only spot we couldn't do anything with was that black one down there, which she mentioned she had pre-treated before we got here with some kind of soapy product. And it's still wet, and as you can see from the whiteness, I don't know if you can hear that there, there's still some soap in it. But everything else came out great. So, like I said, throughout the house, there's little spots here and there. She was worried about this high traffic area, which looks good. She's happy with that. So again, OMG carpet cleaning. No per spot fees, no upsells. We give epic pricing, exact pricing quotes. You can always go down in price if you have an extra area. This entire transaction was via online. She messaged us through the internet and we booked it all, did all the quotes and everything. So anyway, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. As always, thank you for watching and be kind always.